Patterns say puff, clusters, popcorns, and bobbles, and your brain files one fight. They're cousins, they're not clones. They're similar enough that it's very challenging to keep the names straight. Let's start by explaining the structure of all of these stitches. You'll start them with one base, then you'll create 2 or more loops in the middle, and lastly, you'll close the stitch off at the top. This means you have one top, one base, and so we call that, in our grammar, joined at top and base. The puff is usually shorter stitches set with an HDC height. You'll bundle the stitch with 3 yarn overs, and then you'll close it at the top. To finish, you'll fasten it tight with a chain. The cluster is made of taller stitches, think DC or even treble. Then you close them together at the top. Most patterns consider a cluster with 3 stitches clustered into one. The bobble also closes at the top, but usually there are more partials. 5 is standard. Then you have a fastening stitch into the base of the stitch, which is usually a single crochet. This makes an anchor that makes a bigger and rounder bump. Last but not least is the popcorn. You'll build tall stitches, usually 5 into the same position. Then you'll drop the loop from your hook, insert it into the first stitch in the bundle, put the loop back on and pull through. This pops the cluster of stitches forward to create the popcorn. 4 names, 1 family, joined at top and base. When the bump looks wrong, ask how it's closed, not just what the pattern called it. Save this field guide for your next row of texture.